So Facebook's just retarded now. Or messed up. Can't use the R words. Yeah, it doesn't let me see, like, the stream status. But it's all good. Alrighty. Break 280. We still haven't filled the mini helmet. Let's go, boys. We got 6 left in the mini for 6 spots. And then I think 5 more in the main. Fanatics exclusive. 28 spots, 28 random players in this. Each spot gets a random player. Stroud's in it, Bryce Young, Richardson, all the top rookies, plus a few other ones. So as soon as we fill that up, we'll break that. But this break is Topps Chrome Platinum. 2 boxes, 1 light, 1 hobby. Hobby has an on-card Chrome Auto. The light has 4 of the black and white inserts. Random teams. Put up the list. I do have Topps Pristine on the way. It's not cheap, but it's an awesome product. But I did get it at a decent price. So that is on the way. Luminous is on the way. And then we still have the College Immaculate to break. So the 101's got to be in one of these boxes coming up. Pristine is awesome. That last year I remember breaking that. It comes with an encased card. It's pretty nice stuff. That's why it's not cheap. Alright, here is our list. Tyler, D-backs. Ronnie, Yankees. Zach, Nationals. Jeff Jones, Red Sox. Corey with the Guardians. John Scrum with the Pirates. Tyler, Mets. Trojan with the Angels. Vinny got the Cubs. Kevin Molnar, Sr., Reds. Jeremy Evans, the Mariners. Ronnie with the Astros. Zach with the Phillies. Tyler with the Braves. Mark, Money Thomas with those Padres. David Russell somehow always seems to land the Dodgers in a random once in a while. Even though I think he hates the Dodgers. But it's all love. Jeff Jones, Marlins. Ronnie, Rangers. Joe Dillon, Athletics. Chet, Rockies. Tyler with the Giants. Joe with the Tigers. Corey, Royals. Jeff Trojan, Orioles. Mr. Russell, Twins and Cardinals. John Scrum, Blue Jays. Ronnie, Brewers. Kevin Molnar, Sr., White Sox. And spot 30, Chet with those Rays. One team not in the 101, and that is the Mariners. Everyone else is in. 1104, boys. 1104, and we're not talking about $11. So hopefully we can give away some cash soon. Alright, so we're going blind. Thanks to Facebook being retarded. But looks like we're okay. Alright, good luck. We will do the light first. 16. 4 cards in each pack. Some styrofoam for our enjoyment. Empty box. Good luck. There's quite. The first break we did of this, there's some nice color and stuff in it. For a meal. For animal. Roger. Clemente. Alexander Wells, rookie for Baltimore. This is on the 1953 Topps design. Pretty decent stuff for a cheaper box. Catfish Hunter. That's going to be a refractor, I believe. Jazz. Curtis Terry, rookie for Minnesota. Chris Sale for Boston. Does it say refractor on it? It does. Going to Miami, refract. Jake Cousins, rookie from Milwaukee. Should have maybe a numbered card. Jason Hayward, Cubs. Kristen Pache. Remember that kid? People were hunting him about 3 years ago when he was at the Braves. I don't think he's really mounted to what everyone thought he would be. Jake Cousins. Green. Corey Kluber. Good old Corey Kluber. 35 out of 99. The Klube. One of my favorite Indians of the past. Lamonte Wade Jr. for the Giants. Here comes our first black and white. Zerpa, rookie for KC. Jed Lowry. Case. Tyler Gilbert, rookie for Arizona. Spot 1 going to Tyler. Tyler going to Tyler. Spot 1. Should have 3 more of those. Lewis Gill, rookie for the Yanks. Lee Smith for the Cubbies. Hoy Park for the Pirates. And a little Willie Mays. Old school Willie Mays. I wonder if that's a short print. Because there's... No, it's just the way it is. On the old New York Giants. Hoy. Dave Winfield on the Padres. Good old Dave. That's a refractor. Patrick Wisdom for the Cubbies. Nick Allen, rookie for the A's. And Jose Abreu for the White Sox. The White Sox moving? I saw a rumor. Nashville, maybe? I know they fired some people. Fractor. Can be interesting. Seth Beer. Another good baseball name. Should be a number card behind him. Contreras for the Cubbies and Zach Wheeler. Seth Beer. Diamondbacks. Philly. Oh, we know who that is, right? I do. Zachary. It's a little Jim Tomey. Tomey is my homie. This is going to be... Ooh, 1 out of 5! 1 out of 5 Jim Tomey. Wow. Didn't expect that. It teased us. 1 out of 5 Jim Tomey is my homie. Zachary. Out of 5. You got half of it right, bro. Half of it right. Alright, see, there you go. There it is. 1 out of 5. Short print. That's close. That's the closest we've been. I'm pretty sure. In a while. I think the 5 was the closest. Last one was like 3 out of 5 or something. But that's pretty freaking close. I didn't think that was even the 5. Because I thought we pulled one last box that was to like 50, but I guess not. Maybe that's a different version. Andrew Vaughn. There's our second black and white. Bryce. Joe Adell. Whatever happened to Joe Adell? He was another one of those kids that were supposed to be a stud. I know Jim Jennings was big on Joe Adell. That happens though. Going to the Reds. It's going to be old school. Johnny Bench. A little Johnny Bench. Cincinnati, Kevin Molnar Sr. I think you're a Johnny Bench fan, Molnar. I think you've said that. You collect. I think I pulled a couple for you. Could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure. It's a cool card. Little Johnny Bench on the old school. No, Zach doesn't work that way. We're getting close, though. The next couple of products we have, good chance at a 101 coming up. Scooball screwed me. I started him pitching. He got rocked. And they're colored behind it. Donaldson and Bob Feller. Little Bob. Hold on. Well, we got an extra hit, boys. Because that was the light box, and there's no guaranteed auto. I don't even think there... I mean, I guess you can get an auto in anything. But this does not say anything about autos, but we did get one. So let's see. It's pink. Big Red Machine, that's right. Going to Pittsburgh. And Brian Reynolds on the pink. What's that number 2? 7 out of 15. We got a hot box? Oh, it's a little hot. Pittsburgh was spot 6 in John Scrum. Brian Reynolds. Not supposed to have auto in that. I mean, at least not, doesn't call for one. So, we'll take the bonus auto. 7 out of 15 on that one. Nolan. Jack Lopez, that's a refractor for Detroit baseball. Bob Lemon, Al Klein. Cool. Once in a while, they'll throw us a bone. Moises Alou on the Giants. Goose Gossage, Ted Simmons. What do we have behind door number 3? Sparkly, Bernie Williams. Going to the Yankees. 67 out of 150 on the Sparkly. New York was Ronnie. Been a pretty good light box, I would say, so far. Tyler, you can take a seat. You gotta give Bernie. Last pack in stack 3. Jake Cronenworth. Padres. There's our 3rd. So that one's not black and white. Looks like it, but it's a little different. Johnny Bench base. Castro rookie for the Pirates. The name of the team is in red, so it's not. That is not the insert like this is. Rookie for Houston, Jake Myers. Houston was 12. Going to Ronnie. I mean, if you could pull an auto out of a blaster, I guess a light box is just as good. Mukove, Willie? I don't know if that's the black and white. It might be. Kind of looked like a checkered, though. Realmuto, Hal Newhouser. So, yeah, this is more checkered. Going to the Blue Jays, numbered. Not numbered. It's just an insert. Jin Woo. On the checkerboard, kind of. John Scrum. 3 left out of the lights. Mike Moustakas. Refractor of Kirby for the Twins. George Kell. Josh Hader. Kirby on the refractor. Crawford. Numbered. Chapman on the Yanks and Ripken Jr. It's one of those yellow waves, gold wave, I'm not sure. Andrew Vaughn for the White Sox, 199 out of 250. 199 out of 250, spot 29, and Kevin Molnar, Sr. Last pack, boys and girls, of the light. Larry Walker on Colorado. Warren Spahn. Anthony Bender, rookie for Miami. Bender. Last black and white. Going to Boston and Connor Wong. Boston. Spot 4 in Jeff Jones. Alright, now the hobby box. Already got one auto, so we're kind of ahead of the game. Tommy 1 out of 5. Nice Bernie Williams. This is not bad light box. A few more cards in the hobby. A few more packs. Empty. Good luck, guys. Stan the man. I don't believe that's odd. Oops, stuck up on me. Dontrell Willis. Good old Dontrell. Marlins. That's 97 on 150. Can never keep his head on straight, but I liked how the kid pitched. Dontrell. Sparkly. Greg. Adam Wainwright. Spencer Torkelson. His rookie year. One of them. Renteria. Jeremy Pena, rookie. Purdue had a very good series against the Guardians. Bastard. Purdue. So did Spencer. Don the man. Don. Refractor behind him. Cody Bellinger for the Dodgers. Tyler O'Neill. Bert Levin. Refractor. Good old Bellinger. Going to those Dodgers. And David Russell. Yanni Hernandez, rookie for the Diamondbacks. Josh Lowe, rookie for Tampa. Joe Adon, rookie for Washington. Oh, we couldn't go 4 for 4. Thought we might have been going 4 for 4 on the rookies. Low. Brian Anderson. Backwards, I believe it's just numbered. Willie Adams and Ordonez. Maglio. Cracked Ice. St. Louis. Tyler O'Neill. 27 out of 100. Cardinals. Mr. Russell. David Russell. Cesar Hernandez, Casey Mize, Trevor Hoffman, Oliver Ortega, rookie. Angels. LA Angels. Goldschmidt, Refractor, Nick Madrigal, Cubbies. Kyle Hendricks, Salvador Perez. Nick Madrigal. Another rookie that was the next best thing. Focus on what? Looks good on my end. Why doesn't it look good on your guys' end? What the hell? It looks beautiful on my end. I guess the refractor threw it off. Satchel, not Statchel. What the hell is St. Louis Browns? Who was... Is it the auto? No. Tejada. Jackie. Jack Lopez. It's not whack. It's perfectly fine. Ramos for the Giants. Backwards. Benintini. Mr. Judge. You guys are whack. Buster Posey for the Giants. 7 out of 50. 7 out of 50. Buster Posey. Tyler. Good old Buster. Bust. Jake McCarthy. Diamondbacks. I don't think he's still on the Diamondbacks, is he? Dwight. MJ. Billy Williams. Not that Billy Williams. I know the auto's coming. I know it's coming. I can feel it in my blood. Mike Bauman, rookie. Refractor. Griffin Jacks. Minnesota. Jose Siri. Ooh, almost another 3-banger of rookies. Thought we could get 4 for 4, but no. Max Muncy. Mondesi. Posey. Break the tank. Went through rookies and then 4 vets. How are they going to do us like that? Rue. Baez. Jake Berger. Rookie for the White Sox. Should be a numbered coming up. Austin Riley for the Braves. Is that the same one that's to 5? No. 49 out of 100. Hot Atlanta. Atlanta was 14 and Tyler. Tyler getting some color. A few numbered cards for you, sir. 3 left on stack 2. Lou. John Gray. Dylan Carlson. And Carl Wide. Roger. Dale Murphy refractor. Glenn Otto rookie. David Peralta. D-backs. Two. Come on, Hobby Box. The light was fire compared to you guys so far. Suzuki! Rookie for the Cubs. Dion going to the Braves. Delgado, let's do throwback. And then Alonzo. All right, last stack. Last stack is not going to be whack, right? Not like the camera focus. Another Tampa Bay, but not that Tampa Bay. Shane Baz. Murphy. Pujols. Vinny, I agree. Green. Boston. Verdugo. Where do you go, Verdugo? Boston it is. 86 out of 99. Boston, Jeff Jones. Yeah, light definitely. This round. Auto, maybe the auto will make up for it. Maybe. Oh, that's the auto. That's the auto, because it's forward. Save that. Marquez. Hernandez. Billy Martin. Billy. Rookie Steven. Is it Ridings? I can not remember pulling that guy at all. Cannot remember pulling this kid at all. Sano on the refractor. Another Tyler Gilbert. Marcus Simon. It's right there, Vinny. Right there. We're going to save it for the end. So it can blow us away. Or we can go cry. Stephen Riddings. I don't know if I pulled anything. 4 left. Robbie Ray. Lopez. Trevor, what's the more story? John Smoltz. Man, that pack. Boring. Mark Burley. Wow. It's a throwback. I look, I got some color in this one. Hunter Green, rookie for the Reds. Goose Gossage. Hunter Green. Brandon Crawford for the Giants. I think this is that rose gold. 49 out of 75. Giants getting a couple colored hits. I believe Tyler again. Tyler. Numbered and colored. Killing it. Jock Peterson. Checkerboard of Mike Mussina. I believe it's not numbered. It is not. J.P. Crawford and Beltray. Mike Mussina. There's a throwback. 2 left. Sandberg. Talk about throwbacks. A refractor of Romy Gonzalez, rookie for the White Sox. Juan Gonzalez for Texas. And Matt Brash for Seattle. Last pack, and then the auto. It better be an auto, right? Bob Gibson for the Cardinals. Fox, rookie for Washington. Rojas, Ricky. Alrighty, here we go. Oh, I see what's number 2. Oh, is it not numbered? Wow, going to the Padres. Trevor Hoffman, 96 out of 99. Trevor Hoffman is going to San Diego Padres. Mark Money Thomas. Nice little card there. On one of the greatest closers of the game. On the blue. A little signature there real quick. 96 out of 99. Alright. Light was a little bit better. But it is what it is. Recap. Still didn't hit any of the big rookies out of 4 boxes. That's crazy to me. Crazy. 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 Alright, here we go. Brandon Crawford. That was out of 75. Vertigo. 99. Austin Riley. Out of 100. Tyler O'Neill on the cracked ice red. 100. Dontrell Willis. 150. Connor Wong on the black and white rookie. Andrew Vaughn on the little yellow wave out of 250. Jake Myers on the black and white rookie for Houston. Tyler Gilbert rookie on the black and white for Arizona. Jack Lopez refractor rookie for Detroit baseball. Corey Seager on the green out of 99. Johnny Bench on the black and white insert. Buster Posey. Little wavy. Out of 50. 7 out of 50 on that one. Bernie on the Sparkle. That was 67 out of 150. Jim Tomey is my homie on Philly. Red. 1 out of 5 on that one. Short print. Brian Reynolds on the pink. Extra auto out of the light. We hit. They threw it in there. 7 out of 15 on that one. Not too shabby. And then out of the hobby box, Trevor Hoffman going to the Padres. Blue. 96 out of 99. Alright, boys and girls, we are done with Topps Chrome Anniversary. Not too bad. I mean, some nice cards. So, let's fill up this goddamn helmet. Mini is up. $5.40 a spot. Top 4. Top 2 get 2 spots in the main. Main, there's still about 5 spots left at $9. 28 spots, 28 players. Random players. Once we're full, we'll random the names, match up with the numbers. Open it up, you got that player, you hit the mini. So, alright, that's it for now. And hopefully these next couple products, the 101 will be in there. Alright, baseball time. Practice. Gonna run Jake there. And see what's gonna go up next. I'll put a preview post and all that good stuff. I'm gonna wait till I fill this helmet though. I don't want to get too behind. So as soon as we fill that up, we'll throw up what's next. Go from there. Alright, boys and girls, later.